Hey there, APK, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Grace, and in this kitchen, I'm your chef. Well, today we'll be making some babka rolls, chocolate babka rolls. I hope you like it. Let's dive right in. In a small bowl, add warm milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and yeast. Stir to combine, then let it sit for 5 minutes until it gets frothy. In a large mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, then mix to combine. Add sugar, then mix to combine. Margarine, then mix to combine. Add in 2 egg yolks, then mix to combine. Add in the yeast mixture, then mix until a dough forms. Lightly dust the surface with flour, then knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes or until smooth and elastic. Once done, lightly grease the dough and the bowl, then place the dough in the bowl. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel or cling film and let it rise in a warm place for 4 hours. For prep, line your baking sheet with parchment paper, then set aside. 4 hours later, uncover the dough, then punch down the middle to remove excess air. Flour the surface and roll it to a rectangle-ish shape. Once you've rolled your dough, take 2 bars of dark chocolate, Dairyland, and chop them. Add them to a small bowl with 1 teaspoon of milk. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of margarine, then stir. Then add 1 teaspoon of icing sugar, then stir. Dust the surface with flour and spread your chocolate filling. Spread it evenly all over the dough and fold it into thirds. It will form another rectangle shape. Dust the surface with flour, then roll. Cut it into stripes of 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide, then roll it around your finger. You can roll it like this, then seal the edge, or fold it into 2, then roll it around your finger. Then seal the edge. Or you could twist it, then roll it around your finger and seal the edge. Once you've chosen your desired shape, you repeat the process until you're done. Cover, then let it sit for 30 minutes. Using the remaining egg whites, beat them, then glaze on the babka rolls. Apply them generously on the babka rolls. Then sprinkle some chocolate chips. Set it to bake at 280 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, look at them. Ooh! Very tasty. Very, very, very tasty. As you know, it never fails with the baking. These babka rolls are to die for. They are very nice with coffee, tea as a snack. Well, that's it for today. I hope you give this recipe a try. It won't disappoint. It's worth your time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye guys.